What's up, guys? Hello. Good morning. It is Monday. It's Monday.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope everyone's doing amazing. Yeah. Let's see what this week brings. Let's see what this week brings. I'm being optimistic here, and I'm gonna say that it's gonna be a great week because I can. Right? We're gonna be optimistic here. Before we get too excited with life, I see we're still just climbing. So first things first, let's mark out everything we gotta mark out. Let's start with our new weekly opening gap, which is not that drastic, which is a little bit weird. And everyone, well, including me, was waiting for a Friday sell-off, which did not happen. I see I did not miss that much after I left. Well, I say that, I missed a little bit. This here wasn't bad price action, but unlucks for me, I guess. Oh well. Hey Thurkin, what's up? How we doing? And a trade addict? Oh, you found me. How you doing? Trading Expo, how are you? How's it going, guys? How was the rest of the Friday session for everyone? Was it great? Was it okay? Adam, hi guys. We can see nice shorts. You think so? Oh. Perry's here giving all the big stretches. It's actually a public holiday here in South Africa. Don't ask me what day or why. But hello. Okay. Well, we have a Perry here today joining us. How was my weekend? Oh, it was actually super chilled. Super chilled, which is nice. Felt like I got a lot and also nothing done. Does that make sense? One of those weekends where it felt like you were constantly busy, but didn't get much done. One of those. Oh! Alright. Kotsuma, what's up? How you doing? I feel, wait, is it Kotso Akema? I feel like I butchered. What's up? I'm also South African. How are you? I'm also in South Africa. What's up? What part of SA are you from? Okay, let me mark out all the highs and lows as well, quick sticks. When it will oblige me with its presence. No? Cool. Oh dear. Is the Wi-Fi gonna be dumb today? I feel like the Wi-Fi is, there we go. About to say, I feel like the Wi-Fi is going to be dumb today, but it is what it is. Here's a point. I just won't mark it. I'll mark this one rather. This is what it's saying. I mean, that was all taken. This is Asia high / relative equal highs. This is quite juicy up here. This is quite a juicy area with this relative equal high as well. Low over here, however. Let's see. That being said, I'm also just going to take note of this. What's up, Debbie? How are you from Free State? Nice. Sakosa, hi guys. How are you doing? So I'm just going through everything, doing a quick little mark out all of the, buy side and sell side liquidity, making sure I have everything noted that I need to take note of, right? What's up, Amal? How you doing? Like I said, just quickly going through everything that's been taken. Again, there's just a lot of sell-side liquidity, but we are at all-time highs, which is fun. All-time highs are very entertaining, but we continue. That's all we can do. We can just continue. Now that that is marked out, oh dear. See, the Wi-Fi is going to be a pain in the butt today. So that's going to bug me. Sorry, guys. Let's see. A little bit better? No? Maybe. Oh. I swear, it's like it is a public holiday and everything shuts down. Absolutely everything shuts down just because it's a public holiday. There we go. Hopefully this is fine. Should be good. Okie dokie. Done, done, done. There we go. There we go. Hopefully the Wi-Fi has now stabilized. Just like me. So, first things first, let's check the daily. Oh, good grief. I forgot to close everything. I'm so sorry. That was a pain to witness. There we low-key consolidate. I think we might come down just tag below 990 and then continue back up. That is a possibility. I mean, we could keep going down, but I do think that 990, 980, between 990 and 980 is quite a decent point of interest for it to come and retest before continuation. If it's going to happen now or during New York, I'm not sure, but for me, I will be looking out for that zone, just looking at the daily, obviously. Now, let's check the 4 hours. Okay, checking the 4 hour. Oh, check. 990, 980. Oh damn, that actually has quite a distance to, quite a gap to fill if it is going to do that. Okay, let's see if we do end up doing that. That's the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. 2 minutes for short. Dom, how was your weekend? How was everyone's weekend? What did you guys end up doing? Was it amazing? Was it meh? You know, what ended up happening? Interesting. Okay, let's see if we end up getting there. 15 minute. Well, we are below VWAP on both ES and NQ. Hey, Colby, what's up? How you doing? Mike, your dog died. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. That really, really sucks. Sorry to hear about that. And back to the one. Let's see what we get. Let's see what's about to come from this. We are low-key stuck between the new weekly opening gap and VWAP right now. It is 20 seconds to go until London opens, so let's see what happens. It was nice all day long. I was cooking this. Oh, you like cooking? What? That's cool. Oh, what's up, Basil? Hi, welcome, welcome. I am Maya from South Africa. How's Mauritius? I've never been. I've heard it's beautiful. I know a lot of people that have gone, and everyone says it's just like next level. Definitely jealous, but yeah. Did everybody have a profitable week last night? Last week. I nearly said last night. Last week. To be fair, so I had a profitable week. Dom looked like he had a really good week. Anyone else who had a profitable week last week? Here we go. Okay, well this is not a bad 3 AM open so far. Let's see if it continues to look something like this. Basil says it's paradise. I'm definitely low-key jelly. Definitely low-key jelly. Maybe that could be a goal, to go to Mauritius one day. Just go to paradise. Go chill in paradise. Basil, you say sure. What's it like living every day on paradise? Does it make everywhere else seem boring? Genuine question. You know. Or does paradise then not seem so nice because you are there all the time? You know, it's like people that live by the beach. So I obviously did not grow up by the beach, but now I live by the beach for now. And I try and go to the beach as often as possible, but obviously people that grew up by the beach never go to the beach. And I find it so weird. I'm just like, why not, people? What is wrong with you? Why would you not want to go to the beach? Green Globe, what's up? How are we doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Yeah, Faisal, see, that's wild. Like I said, people down here never go to the beach. I like forced my one friend to go to the beach this weekend, and she was like, oh, I haven't been in the ocean since I was 13. She's 29. I was like, you live here. You literally live here. Why do you not go to the beach? You know, each to their own, I guess. Each to their own. Well, that was a very meh thing. Like, this candle looked promising for a minute there. So trend is friend until it's not, right? The long-term trend is still bullish, but short-term trend, wait, let me actually also mark out this. I think it could be wanting to go to those equal highs above. I feel like that seems super promising. Nicola, do you make any money because you always have the same balance? Oh, I definitely do not have the same balance. Everyone here focuses on thousands. Now my balance has increased, just very slowly, because I've only been risking now one contract because of the fact that I was in drawdown and got real close to blowing the account. I was $20 away from blowing this account. Now at least slowly and surely it's not looking that bad. We're nearly back up to 49. So yay. Face, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Is that what you're asking? Like, was that the question you wanted to know? Sorry, my hair's an absolute mess today. I'm so sorry, guys. Or you wanting to know, like, what app I'm using? Because I'm using... Are you following natural gas? No, who's that? I'm seeing, do I only trade futures? Yes, sorry, I only trade the futures. Well, to be fair, I've only been trading Nasdaq futures, the micros, especially because I still feel like I'm new. I've been trading for a year now, officially, which is super exciting. Yeah. March was rough. March was rough for me, guys. I'm not even gonna deny that. March was rough. That's where I nearly went down to, well, I nearly like blew my funded account. That's my first ever funded account for anyone that's new as well. I nearly blew my funded account in March. Then I wanted to start strategy hopping, which is obviously not good, but clearly my strategy just wasn't working in March. And now April, the markets are back to quote unquote normal. So I've now just been learning to trust my strategy again, if that makes sense. Tea. Okay. Anyways, like I said, how was everyone's weekend? Was it amazing or was it meh? Don't even know where everyone is today. A super quiet day today. Mike, what do you reckon is today's bias? All-time highs are tough. All-time highs are tough, but at the end of the day, you have to stick with trend is friend until it's not, right? And it's still trending to the bull side. Yeah, it is still trending to the bull side. Maybe short term, we might see a little bit of a retracement here during London, so maybe the bears might come to play during London, but trend is friend until it's not, and it has been climbing for the past, what, 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks. Building up your confidence, you mean? Yeah, trade addict, my confidence and my confidence in my strategy again, because then I stopped trusting my strategy completely, and then I would start to get like so I guess it's a combination of both, right? It's a little bit of a combination of both. Also, I'll be making all my indicators one soon, just won't be the year, so. Ooh, thanks, Debbie. That is awesome. I do a couple more indicators. Also, been making all my indicators available. I'll go check them out. Thanks, Deb. Blue line is a nice entry. Oh, it's not an A+ one for me, Dom. Sorry. Ooh, the hiccups. Let's see if it does just keep going down. This shaded area here is the new daily opening gap. New weekly. New weekly opening gaps. Sorry about that. So it looks like it's about to fill it. I expected the new weekly opening gap to be bigger. And you headed for down here, right, Dom? Why did this not mark it out? There we go. So here's Asia low. Below is like the low, but 367. Here we go. Nice, Dom. Okay. So Dom's TP is at Asia low. Are you in this already, Dom? Did you post it on Discord? Let me see. No. See, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little bit of a retest. Hey, World Free Speech, what's up? How are we doing? AMD profit taking will pull it down. Hey, Ariel, SNDK. Looking good. What's that? Sorry, maybe that's a dumb question. that an asset? $3.10. Oh my gosh. Okay, 10 minutes in and not much has happened yet. SanDisk. Okay, so it was an asset. Asset? Oh my gosh. English. Let that building real quickly. Did you invest in it or do you trade it though? Hey, Truebill. I'm feeling a short-term short to maybe Asia low, and then the bulls come back into play. Truebill. I could be wrong though. Turtle on eye. Where you been? Hi.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Maybe not looking to short it soon. But again, are you day trading, swing trading, or investing? Out of curiosity. Okay, so you are now in this. Nice. Nice, Dom. Oh, so there's like a B setup. Pity about that. Huh. The sellers are definitely stronger on NQ today. ES is not moving down nearly as much as NQ right now. I don't think it entered. Morning after trading, it looks like Friday short might work today. Hey Arthur, what's up? I don't think it entered. What do you mean you don't think it entered? Hey Boom, what's up? Boom says just hit sell. Bit of a retest off of there. I mean, it was really not a bad trade, actually. To full. It's $20. Let's see. What's up, Eddie? How we doing? You're gonna lose $50 because I thought you'd blow the account by end of April. Who did you make a bet with? Rude? Sorry, I didn't take it because it looks good on NQ, but ES looks like it wants to go tap back into VWAP. ES is pushing. I could be wrong. Crazy? What's messed up? People, I can't today. I just saw that voice texting while driving. Boom is saying hit this up. Honestly? Well, now I don't want to, Boom. Now I feel like you're trying to make me lose my account. Rude. Also, I want to know who you made the bet with. Now this thing's going up. As I said that. Watch it go down. Now trust me, Boom never wrong. Well, apparently Boom is sometimes wrong, because you thought that I would have blown my account by now. Just saying. Just saying. Just went positive for the day for the short on. Full port, Maya, you got this. Oh my gosh. Guys. Is it full port Monday? Like I said, unfortunately, this is actually a B setup. You guys know I'm trying to be strict with only taking the A+ setups. You guys know that. I'm selling because Debs told me to. There we go. Are you full porting though? Because Debs also said full port. Let's see how it reacts here. Damn, okay, apparently Boom is full porting now because Deb said full port. He's full porting the cells. Let's see. You got this, Boom. Genuinely curious to see if it works out now. I mean, the buyers are fighting. Like I said, I personally think this is going to go back up. I think it's at least wanting to tap back into VWAP on ES. I could be very wrong though. That's just, you know, in my opinion. I feel like maybe it wants to do that. And just because I said that it, you know, this might just start sinking to the center of the earth. Trust in the Debs. I'm gonna join your stream soon. What do you mean? You wanting to hop on again, is it? There's a 1 minute, 2 minute combo on telling me how the other will step. Interesting. So you're only looking at the 1 and 2 minute, Eddie? That's super interesting. Also, I am aware that I missed a bunch of messages, so what's up?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Sorry that I missed any messages. My apologies. I was looking at this. As you can see, it's in a little bit of a deciding point. This might very well go down now, but it's fine. Maybe I'm like devastating. I'm trying to think, Boom. Potentially. Will my Wi-Fi be able to cope with it? That's a whole other question right there. Not a bad idea though. Like consolidating setup. What are you doing? Oh, that looks like a consolidating setup. What am I doing when you get bored of trading and have to turn it off? Number one, do you ever really get bored of trading? You can get boring markets, right? So you mean like if the market is a bit meh and a little bit on the boring side of life? Yeah, then I guess I turn it off, I go take a break, take my dog for a walk, you know, let my head breathe. Normally I would have gone to the stables. Go let my head have a bit of a breather. Yeah, and then come back and try again. How would you teach an 8-year-old how to trade as if it were a video game? I have absolutely no idea. Eddie, how would you? That's a very interesting question. I'm like, you've stumped me a little bit. Eddie, how would you? Like, do you have an answer for this, or are you just genuinely curious? The same question about trading firms. How many video games you've played before as a child? This might create fun all the time. At least this happens to me, and it's really hard to get rid of the bad habits. Yes and no. So hear me out. Hear me out, trade addict. Potentially. So the plan is that when, you know, I have a cushion again, I'm not so much in, well, I'm not in drawdown anymore. I will take the A+ setups as the correct risk, which is $200. And then potentially B setups, maybe do a B setup with one contract, get some more trades in. And then if it is a loss with one contract, it's fine. You know, I'm having a look at potentially doing that. Maybe it's not a... What are thoughts on that? Because there's some varying thoughts, right? Some people say that's actually a really good idea. You get more, and sometimes these B setups work beautifully. And if it's one contract and they don't work beautifully, it's not that bad. Does that make sense? Hey! I'm assuming you're South African. I am South African. How are you doing? Hello? Yeah? I gave the market so much attention. It's unbelievable. The market should be flattered. The amount of time we spend watching it, it should either be flattened. That's not right. Should either be flattered or terrified. Yes. The market's Eddie, there's an app called Daytrading Simulators that's pretty good and free. Maybe I'm paying like $3 for it, not sure. Is it functional? How much does it cost for one contract? Trading futures like the Nasdaq. It depends on obviously the range. Depends on the range. So I mean, this one is 11 points, not that big. And the contract size for one would be $21. Yeah. So it obviously depends. If the range is bigger, obviously it was 20, it would be double. Can I have your number? Absolutely not. You do not look... Okay, anyways. Hey, Neil, what's up? How are we doing? No one trusting you with their number. Oh gosh. I got you.
Emotional damage.
That's not bad. Glad to hear. Skin. I'm here most days. I've never streamed before though, so I completely newbie on streaming. That's okay, Debbie. Don't have to know what you're doing. Just hop on. Pretty... I want to say it's pretty sweet and simple. Have I tried using gamma levels? I have not, but you are not the first person that has asked about gamma. Green Day didn't? No. Who was it? Green Day. I'm saying Green Day. Not Green Day. Who was it that was asking about gamma levels? Someone asked about gamma the other day. Oops. I would have guessed you're from the UK. Really? Why? Do I give that vibe? Oh, Neil, that is awesome. First Tradeify trade, that is fantastic. And what do you think? Yay? Me? Avoid fluff. I need teaching. Order with trading stuff. Last visual support and resistance. Email bullish bearish. Contracts, and that should be it. So your whole thing, but let me get this right, Eddie. So theoretically, theoretically, your whole thing would just purely be based off of EMA. That's it. Nothing else. It would just be based off of EMA, market it in the correct conditions, and then just trail. Yeah? Damn, I lost 70. I'm saying nothing. Anyways, I'm saying nothing. Oh, wait, boom, that means that you hit your stop loss, right? Am I correct in saying that that means that your stop loss was hit? Boom? Yes? I'm gonna wait for confirmation before I play this, or else that would be bad. What do you mean no? How? If you lost $70? Did you just exit the trade? One tick away. So wait, are you then still in it? Oh, you thought you lost. Okay. Oh, so did you literally just kind of copy this trade? Just go down. Ow. Does anyone use gamma squeeze or short squeezes, and how does it work? Thanks, that nice discount code. Aw, thanks, Neil. I got you. I'm glad that, yeah. I'm glad you're saying it's going smoothly. Smooth experience. I loved it via trading view, so it's super easy to go about it. I'm glad, Neil. I'm glad. But it's alive. My home team feels automated alerts now. If you can use it like a bot. Hey, Gabriel, what's up? Boom just says no. So then where's your TP at? If you want to start Forex trading, how will you start? I have absolutely no idea who... Damn it. Who trades Forex? Yeah. I'll test it on an eval. Gosh darn it. So literally tapped into the 3M open and this little itty bitty volume imbalance and rejected off of it. Shoot, man. Oh well. $395.75. Okay. Looks like it's trading downward after that rejection a little bit. Let's see if it continues. Ayo, Dave, I trade MNQ. We're taking Celebrite. Can someone give us signals? We just wake up and the brain is still in weekend mode. I mean, it's low-key in a little bit of a consolidation area. Green globe. But I know Boom is going for them Sally sells. So is Dom. Dom's also looking for the shorts. So it seems like there's more people keen on shorts than longs today. Hey, I'm Anton. Sorry, I nearly said it weird. How you doing? Hi guys. Nearly played the wrong one.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
So crazy. I don't think you can use gamma squeezes or short squeezes. Gamma squeezes work from option mechanics, and short squeeze happens by short closing by buying pressure. I feel like I do not know enough about gamma and gamma squeezes. Hey, nice. Okay. I'm glad. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Guys, I used to be like disgustingly bad with pronouncing people's names. So one step at a time. Okay, we are just kind of stuck in the middle of this new weekly opening gap. As I say that, I see we might start to get a push down. Here we go. Yes, no, maybe. Dave, am I on a prop firm? I am on a prop firm. You think I might test the... So if I was in this trade, I was looking at this trade, but for me it was a B setup, not an A plus setup. And I'm quite particular with my A plus setups, which I know irritates a lot of people, but anyways. This would have been the trade, this would have been the entry over here. See, it would have actually gone like a tick away from my stop loss. My TP would be at the 1.1 level, so basically closing the new weekly opening gap. This level over here is the new weekly opening gap. See, it just tapped into it, but clearly there's a bit of a support level going on around here. Okay. Dave, balance 48k, what happened? Oh, March happened. That's all I can say. March happened. March was bad. Yo, March was rough. I don't even know what happened. But April, I have slowly been picking myself back up. So I was 15? No, it doesn't matter. Let's say I was $20 away from blowing this account to hitting my max drawdown. This is my first ever funded, Dave, just by the way. I was literally $20 away. So I have been picking myself back up. It has actually so far been a bit of a green month. Believe it or not, I know the numbers don't look like they've moved because obviously it's staying at 48, but like I said, it has been growing. I was nearly up $200 last week. Anton, do you think? What do you mean? Fred Flintstone, trading is gambling, life is gambling, Fred, if we're being honest. Ain't that right? I wouldn't quite call this gambling. It's already on that. Didn't stop loss and take off alerts and notification section of alerts. Wait. Where? I wanted to check something. Sorry about that, guys. Half an hour you're on. You trade New York session open and live. I do, Dave. I do. Yeah, I trade both London and New York session live every day. Any new business if you start is gambling then. Exactly, Trade Addict. There's a feature I can add to make it. Fred. What? How many dudes do you hook up with per week? None? Anyways, is Tradeify good? I'm using FTMO. I mean, I personally like Tradeify, but maybe ask people, yeah, that obviously don't have a little bit of a bias. But I personally think Tradeify is awesome, and they're really, really well known and have really good reviews. I mean, even Prop Match. You guys know Prop Match? Let me know if you know Prop Match, but Prop Match even like has awards, if you will. They do like an award thing, and Tradeify got the most awards, which I thought was awesome. So, you know, it's not just me saying that they're good. Oh, cheers, Dave. Thanks, Crazy. If I sing to you in Afrikaans, do I lose points? Yes. Sorry, I'm not a fan of Afrikaans music. I'm gonna quit at 9 in the morning. Neil, you know what? I would love to say that's the weirdest question I have been asked, but sadly it's not. I think I've been asked a lot weirder. Fred, you're in the wrong channel. Guys, I can sort this out, don't worry. I think Spanish. I got you guys. Nobody panic. Nobody panic. Done. Cheers. But he was low-key entertaining. Oh well. So I see this would have well, no, I'm speaking too soon. But this definitely would have at least been actually, no, this would have been a break even. I lie. I would have moved this to break even and it would have taken me out for a break even trade, so this wouldn't have been a winning trade for me. I'm gonna leave this alone to see if it does eventually hit where my TP would have been, but so this would have basically been what I'm doing now, a no trade, a break even, a meh. And what's this? 9 in the morning. Where am I from? Oh, I'm from South Africa. What's up, Red? How you doing? Eddie booted. Wait. Wait. Here we go. Here we go.
Emotional damage.
I'd recommend you 100 and 500 tick charts. Why do you say that? Rosek? Looks like it's going further down. Green globe, I do agree. It's just if it's going to... So this shaded in area here, here we go. There it is. How many points is this actually? 35, yeah, let's say 36 points. These 36 points over here are actually the new weekly opening gap. So once it breaks the new weekly opening gap, do we think it's going to just keep dropping down to Asia low, or do we think that's going to kind of reject off of it and go back up? So why does it look like we have a slow flipping day ahead of us again? Sam, where's VWAP? Here. Here's VWAP up at 451. I tried Tradeify and it was nice. I do use Trader, but I like the trading interface they had on Tradeify. It gives buy and sell signals that work. Ooh, thanks, DZ Functional. Appreciate it, yeah. Like I said, obviously I personally really like Tradeify, but and Neil said he's found it super easy. I think that for me that might be it as well. Super user friendly. Ejim, what's up? What age would you say would be appropriate for retirement? Like nowadays, it's hard to say. Back in the good old days, like obviously 60 was the age, if I'm not wrong, but I know lots of people past 60 now just continue. It would be amazing if we could retire young. But, you know, gotta live. I don't have Tradeify, but I do have a proper live account that uses Tradeovate. MJ Trades, which prop do you use? Out of curiosity. There was a Trump assassination thing. I thought market doesn't open till 8. This is the London market. Hey, Pipstar, what's up? Expected a bigger gap? Same. Neil, literally, same. I looked at this and I was like, ah. Okay, for a new weekly. And with all the chaos that's been going on, I really expected something bigger and better. So this was very meh. Hey, Louis, what's up? What was the dream? Now I'm curious. Maybe it's gonna zigzag down. Green Globe, I think that is what it's gonna do. I think it's just gonna do this oh so slowly, but it's gonna keep retracing a little bit higher than obviously I would like to see it retrace. Oh yeah, no, 100%. This, no matter which way I look at this would have been a break-even trade for me. Pipstar, be careful, it may jump. You think it could go back up? Boom. I got you.
That's what she said.
Okay, Eddie, I'm gonna correct you right there. Maya's gonna live like a queen someday, marrying a rich horse caretaker. Yeah. Rich and horse do not go in the same sentence. Just like MJ, you use TPT, nice. Big green light to do something. Oh, wait, no, because whatever it is, the shake market are crazy. Crazy. I do have a Discord. Give me a second. For anyone that wants, I think Trump set that up. That's interesting. Yeah, for anyone that wants to join, here we go. If this doesn't work, there is a Discord link in the chat. I mean, not in the chat. In the description of this video. But yeah, there is a Discord. Just please be careful of scammers. Oh. Okay. Okay. This is going to be very entertaining. Yeah. No, I don't want you in-laws. No. Louis, that is hilarious. I use the Wealth Charts platform and has its own special indicators, easier for beginners. Oh, that's interesting. Never heard of that before. Just saying, DZ functional, never heard of Wealth Charts. When you join, you instantly get a fake Maya friend invite on Discord. Okay, it's not me. Okay. I will not send you a friend request. Promise. Okay. Oh, thanks, crazy. It might go down a little more and then bounce. So bounce off of the new weekly. Like once it's filled the new weekly, it could bounce off of it. That's low-key what I was thinking. Okay, like I said, this regardless would have been a break-even trade. This is literally just going sideways now. What are we looking at for time-wise? 3:44, so 4:45. And Wealth Charts. Huh. She could honestly 18k this month off of doing something. Yeah, interesting. But we are already friends. Hi, Proxy. Looks like this thing wants to go up now. I think this thing is just, I mean, if we're being honest, It is just going sideways. Look at this thing. This is just going sideways. On the 5 minute, on the 15, looks even worse. This was London Open. I mean, it's gone down a little bit and it keeps just spiking. But I guess we just have to sit and wait now. Which I know is not loads and loads of fun. Oh my gosh, please don't say we're now just gonna be going sideways today. Touch breakout candle on the 15 minute. Louis, that's an understatement. Like, what? Okay, so it's a public holiday in South Africa. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I mean, actually, see. Neil, do you know what public holiday it's supposed to be today? Yeah, literally. What am I checking? Oh, I'm checking. Sorry, my brain got so distracted. The ADHD kicked in. Calendar. What is today? Should I say it on the calendar? Oh, it's Freedom Day. Oh, okay. It's Freedom Day in South Africa. Oh, sure. No problem. There we go. How's that? Is that better? How's that, Luke? Freedom Day. It's a public holiday. Why am I at work? Yeah, Neil. It's a public holiday. Leave. Go home. Freedom Day. Say freedom and walk out. Hey, Meredith Voxel, what's up? How are we doing? That is hilarious, actually. Sorry. Neil, no, I mean, it's not. Baron Foxel, how you doing? How's it going? Have you gotten any trades in? I'm just sitting here watching this thing go sideways with absolutely no volume. I know for a fact that SA holidays would not affect this market, so why? Employers in the UK, so they don't even know. Oh, Neil, there we go. Now, I mean, do you get UK holidays off though? First, I'm kind of the end of project. Yeah. Freedom Day. Exactly. How many children does Maya wish to have? I have my child. His name is Perry. He's sleeping on the floor right now. My London session has been for weeks. No, okay, Debbie. You've got a point. Like I said, I've not been enjoying London recently. There was a stage where I actually preferred London over New York. There was a stage where London was just amazing to trade. I don't know what changed. I'm a little bit sad about it, but something changed. Got 12 minutes to 4 AM, plus about 8 minutes left after for the real moves. Okay, so you think at 4:08, DZ functional, that something's about to start playing out? Let's see. I'm gonna watch the time. This is on me to inform them I messed up. Oh, that's okay. Okay, Neil, do you know that Friday is a public holiday? Just asking. Hey, boy, what's up? Sold at 422, TP 385. Nice. Okay, let's see, Louis. I mean, that was a really good push down. Let's see if it continues. I wouldn't be surprised if it rejects off of this volume imbalance a little bit here at 413. Come on, volume. Yippers. I'm hoping for a big 100 dip or more. All the day is going to drag on. Wait, DZ functional, you hoping for $100, $100, 100-point dip during London? What are you hoping for New York then? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Neil. So I mean, most people are super chuffed because it's like a 3-day week. I know all my friends are like, oh, it's a 3-day week. Today is Big Sunday. I'm like, no. I got shitty charts to be watching. Aww. Cheers, MJ Trades. Thank you for joining. Mad love. Sleep well. I'll see you for New York, hopefully. 406 is where I wanted to break though. Yeah, there appears to be a lot of support here at 409. I think once a body closes below 409, we're good to go, but when the hey diddly day is that gonna happen? Hey, Mr. Umi, what's up? I wanted to fall even more during New York. You think we're really gonna get that much volume during, well, a Monday? I know some people refuse to trade Mondays for that very reason, that Mondays are sometimes meh. This is actually going to be interesting to watch. So I remember Muddy, I don't know where Mudcrab's gone. Muddy's kind of disappeared, but Muddy always said Mondays were more like continuations of the Friday. And Friday looked like it, well, I know I was there for not a lot of it, but I was still there. Monday was very slow and was just low-key going sideways in a way. So I wonder if today is just going to be a continuation and we're actually going to start seeing the real moves happening tomorrow. That's definitely an option. 12 noon the bleeding should stop and I can get a nice long. This is what I'm praying for. Mondays stink. Hey Louis, what's up? Hey Mohammed, how are you? Welcome, welcome. 353. Ooh, good. Grief. What is volume? Why is volume? Who is volume? Most importantly, where is volume? Who, what, when, where, why, and how is exactly. Oh, Sean, trying to see what things. Be right back. Okay, let's see. Keep on calling you like DZ, DZ functional. What's up, Ron? How you doing? Good afternoon. Good morning. Well, depending on where you're at, I guess. Good afternoon. How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing amazing. I'm just watching this thing go sideways. Louis, are you still in this, by the way, or did you get taken out for $20? Minimally, hi. How you doing? How's it going? Are you also just sitting here watching this going? What is this? Why? Why? We still have some time though. We definitely still have some time. Anything can happen. It's 3:54. Ah, I forgot to post a photo of my car looking all badass with its brand new wheels. Arthur, you think it's still going down? I'm just stuck in a consolidation inside of a consolidation. Fine, thanks. I'm just watching the stream and not watching price action before. Aww, Emily, you're such a sweetie pie. You are not missing anything, so that's fine. Yeah, you really are not missing much right now. So yeah, okay. Wait. So 5 minutes to go until 4. Let's see what 4 brings us. Maybe 4 will bring us some movement, because good grief. I mean, how big are these candles? This is a bigger candle. Oh, I'm kicking. I'm pressing the wrong thing. No wonder it's not working. Wow, these are one of the bigger candles and they are 6 points. Wow, these are like 6-point candles. No wonder I'm low-key going crazy. Okie dokie. I mean, ES looks terrible as well. This is what ES looks like. Please don't say this is like a redo of March, because if it is, I might cry. Rehan, you have a question for me. What's the question? More volume coming in 3.5 minutes, and I should push it further down. I learned how to trade New York session and I got caught taking a trade pre-New York. Times I lost. I banned myself from touching trading view before New York session starts. Smart, right? Stick to your rules. Like I said, I've had varying days. I've had some months where London was just the place to trade, and I loved trading the London session, and then the New York session was not great. Recently, opposite. I've been enjoying New York, and London has just not been my friend. And yeah, I mean, obviously we don't speak about March. We're gonna forget March happened. Anish, are you good? Mondays usually slows and moves are already done at the opening gap. See, 3. Oh, I guess like 2 minutes to go. Hey, Raphael, what's up? How are we doing? How's it going? Okay, here we go. 27450 entry. Stop loss 380 and TP 550. Oh, but your trade just giving you what it's giving me. Okay, so the AI believes that it's about to become bullish. Oh, cheers, Crazy. Thanks for joining. You're amazing. Oh, Raphael, I can't complain. There's only one session. It's 9:30, 10 a.m. New York time. And then 3:54 p.m. Wait. So you only trade for 30 minutes, Baron and Foxhole? Change positions, board at 4:30. Nice. Make TP. I have a chance to get some setups. Aw, thanks, Samuel. You're so sweet. Thanks for joining, guys. You guys are awesome. Okay, 359. I tried SMC many times, but I just confused them. You can guess the right fair value gap and also liquidity. So you trade SMC, but many times you confuse to mark the right fair value gap. So, okay, go through which time frames you use, Rehan. Also, what time frames do you trade on? I'm assuming you use the 1 minute for entry, or do you use the 5 minute for entry? Where's your entry at? Which time frames do you look at? Oh, okay, here we go. Well then. Hey, DXB? What's up? What am I waiting for? What setup am I looking for now? Well, to be fair, I'm looking for something that's not sideways. That's about it. $5 and 15 okay. Go back sold at 426 to the downside. Ten seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, a tiny bit more volume. Not much, but a tiny bit more volume was shown there. Good rejection off of there. Sorry, with regards to the fair value gaps, try and find ones that work together. Like if there's a fair value gap on the 15 and the 5 minute, then you know you're good to go. $20 sold at 426. Arthur, you're still saying to the downside. I do agree. I think it wants to now come and take this out. But the question is, oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. 407. I'd have 407 as TP. Okay, come on. Tiny rejection off of that volume imbalance. Tiny one. Aww. I'm going, oh, because this is FOMO getting the best of me. This is me just wanting to get in on the short. Which I know is bad. Don't do that. Do you know what I'm just really not loving right now? Okay, bear with me, guys. The thing that I'm really not loving right now are all of these wicks to the sell side. Shows that the buyers are here, but they're just obviously not winning. But these are massive wicks. They are the things that are making me a little bit uncomfortable with taking shorts. Has to hold below 511. Neil, 511? Do you mean maybe 411? Hey, Gok, what's up? TP at 385. If I may ask, what is the obsession with 385? These damn wicks. Bottom tails look nice, but that's not sentiment. Thanks, Trade Addict. Okay. 27411. Ah, there we go, Neil. Okay. Thought so. I thought 411. I was like, 5 what? 411, I agree with you. Thanks, Neil. Because 3 always eats 5. Damn, I missed out on. No, I didn't miss nothing. Boom, I'm assuming you took a little shorty short there, right? In all honesty, well, low-key what Neil said, if it stays below 411, I think we'll be good to go, but clearly that's just not happening right now. I'm in shorts. Nice. Have you moved to break even yet, or did you just enter? Also, fat bottom breakout soon, 15 minutes. I'm considering getting on Tradeify. Oh, Anton, do it quickly. Sorry, that was like a threat. But the 40% discount is happening until the 30th. So that's what I'm saying. Just like a double tap the back of my phone case. So it's the 27th today. So you have a few days and it's 40% discount. I mean, they have a few awesome specials, but if you want a 45% discount, if you just get 5 accounts straight off the bat, you get an extra 5% discount. Sorry, I'll stop. Just wanted to let you know. I'm trying to find a match. You don't even need to use TradeAway. Just log into TradingView. When is rent free in my head? Who? Louis? Is it bad that I don't know who the heck you're talking about right now? Yeah. So, here we go. Are we going to stay below 411 now? Let's see. Well, we have officially closed below it with the body of the candle. Let's see if we close below with the next body of the candle. Whoop, there we go. Okay. Finally, shorts look like they could be in play. Louis? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna be in trouble. Who is it? Third lower low. What's up, PQ Trading? How you doing? Oh, I'm getting yelled at by Louis. Okay, so this one did not retest. Okay, we've just filled the new weekly opening gap. Just filled it. Okay, did just take out a bunch of that liquidity. That one included. Just have to make sure this is not just fear of missing out that's getting me to want to take this trade here. So I have to make sure, obviously, I'm just not trying to catch a falling knife. Because that won't be great. Try and catch a falling knife, you could just get stabbed. Okay, nope, falling knife it is. Awesome. Literally falling knife it is, indeed. Right of the background music said, oh, my bad. Hey, what's up? Next target 302. Not trading advice, just my opinion. I mean, a decent target would be Asia low at 367, right? Hey, whoop whoop. Here we go. Whoop whoop for anyone who got their TPs hit. Well done. Proud. Me trying to catch my falling knife over here. Bit of a rejection. I mean, doesn't matter. Just could want to just tap into that stop loss first, which would suck. I catch falling knives all the time. It's just that I wear chainmail gloves. I mean,
nice.
hey Zam, what's up? 385, 385. Hey Robin, how you doing? Good luck on this gamble session. Now I look for buys. Okay, so boom, now you are focused on buys. Interesting. Louis is still looking for 385, which is lower down. Oh, it would be where this TP's at. I said we just filled the gap. Would be nice. Wait, when did this move happen, by the way? So 4 happened and then so close. Green Globe said 408 when we should start to see volume again. And you know what, he kind of nailed that on the head. What the heck, man, Green Globe? Still charting the day. Bit of rejection off of there. Still watching it on ES as well. ES has not had, well, no, I say that, it's broke out of its consolidation. Which is movement. It has had movement. I'm curious about Debbie's. Was a sell signal here. I'll update it later. Oh, damn. This range, but I'm saying oh damn for absolutely no reason. Come on, volume, keep going. Come on, volume, keep going. OTT? What happened? Check it. Oh, interesting. So for a long, it is saying this should be entry, that should be TP1, TP2. Curiosity is officially peaked. Let's do this. TP1, then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm literally gonna pop another one directly over. Oh my goodness. Wrong one. Chopstick. Overlapping it. TP2. I'm gonna leave that up purely out of curiosity. I want to see now. Let's see how accurate this is. Okay, this would be entry for buy. Not really set. Oh, one more down leg before retracement and consult. No, Arthur, let's not be negative. I remember that time you said, oh damn, for absolutely no reason. Did I? Why? What do you mean? Did I? Aw, cheers Neil, thanks for hopping on. I think that the TP levels, and that's been in data down. Pity. So it was specifically for like when a buy set up here, but then why does the stop loss and thing still stay? Interesting. Hey, Paper ID, what's up? I'm still gonna keep it up out of genuine curiosity, Debbie. Let's see. I mean, this thing could start pushing back up now. Also, OTT, you had sad faces, so was Asia bad? Was Asia good? Am I giving signals? No. Slept at 5 AM, but it's about... Okay, OTT, I'm gonna ask this. Why? I feel like you do this to yourself every single week. Why? Wait, is that where you took an Asia trade? Are you serious? You got a nice win? That is awesome. What the heck, man? So then you can just go to sleep and chill the rest of the day is what I'm hearing. OTT. Well done for anyone in the green, by the way. Instead of taking it off in validation. Okay. Like I said, I'm still keeping it up out of curiosity. Boom, in the green. Asian eyes, but not DLE map. What do you mean? Break, just waiting for 385. Hey, what's up? Reefs, like in general or today? In general, I've now officially been trading for 1 year. Super exciting. Today, I've been trading for like an hour. Yeah, yeah. Hour and a half-ish. Very true, but yesterday was so clean, felt like peak New York. Well, London sucks right now, so I'm glad. I'm glad you got something good, OTT. But then wait. Here, are you ready for the real question, OTT? No pressure. But then, are you still gonna trade New York today? I'm in like an 18-week win streak. It's starting to scare me. This looks like resistance of the topping tail leg down. What's up, Boom? Why are you yelling at me? Sure, an 18-week winning streak. That's really good. Boom, why are you yelling at me? Gosh.
Emotional damage.
I'm trading New York, of course. It's great. I meant in general. No, did you make your own strategy? I mean, yeah, mine's a little bit of a hybrid. So this is actually not my strategy. This is Debbie's indicator. So I'm curious, super curious about it. So here we are. And my strategy is actually a GAN box. So my strategy would be kind of going against Debbie's right now. Except you did say the signal was cancelled. So theoretically, this is invalid. I'm just keeping it up because I'm curious. No other reason. I'm just genuinely curious. Oh, 1 year experience. Oh my gosh. Where do I begin? I've learned so much in 1 year. It's actually scary. Like I said, when I started, I started from not even knowing that these were called candles. That's it. I didn't even know what to choose or how to place. I didn't know anything. So it's a bit of a tricky question to ask, what have I learned in a year? Because I've learned like everything in a year. Same one in trading futures as well. See if I can fix it. Yeah, it looks like it's back up and running. Yes. Was I self-taught or mentored? I had, I had a friend showing me the basics when I started, but I wouldn't say a mentor. And then the rest I learned from this amazing community. Yeah. We all start off clueless about trading. No, 100% Debbie. Why haven't I done something good at a few? Maybe false signals for any suggestion. Make some solid signals. Is that demo real? Well, it's a funded account. Some people call it real, some people call it a demo. That's up to you, but it's a funded account. Okay, so would not have gotten here. Would not have gotten an entry for here. Wouldn't have gotten an entry for here. Good grief, guys. So boom's in another short. Mr. Umi, you don't like shorts? No, I just waiting for confirmations with my strategy. It's just made a very large volume imbalance on ES, just by the way. Oh, it took me out. Oh no! This is for you, Boom. Okay, so would have been the entry here with Debbie's signal indicator. Oh my gosh. I mean, so far it's working out quite well. Let's see. Alrighty then. Okay, it's a plus 500 profit. May still green. Yeah, it's still green. Hey, Lovemore, what's up? How we doing? This thing still might want to come back down now. Just having a look at this. Nope. Took buys at 408. Ah, so basically where Debbie's entry signal was. Trying to get onto a head and shoulder setup. Which way? Arthur, you know me and head and shoulders, not great at it. One minute time frame, you can't say it's pumping. Yeah, I feel like you can. If you're scalping the 1 minute, then it's pumping on the 1 minute. Hello, how to quickly identify a fair value gap. It's an imbalance. When there's a gap between the 2 wick sperm fair value gap. I suppose if stop was bigger, you're still good to go. I was skeptical of the indicator. I'm a believer now. I mean, I'm looking at this. Technically, this one wasn't valid, but I put it up out of curiosity. Let's see if it comes back down to this point or not. Louis, I'm assuming you're at $20, right? Let me know if there's 5-minute or more funded account. What do you... So trader, what do you mean? What do you... What do you mean? When you decide to move forward, it'll be learning how. Problem with funded account is that the emotions are not the same as with your own. So when you decide to move forward, you'll be learning how to handle your demons. Yes and no, trade. I hear what you're saying, but respectfully, I disagree. So I feel like funded accounts, there's still the emotion there. I mean, you're gonna get payouts. You're gonna be dealing with your money, and in a way, you should be visualizing it as your own money. In which case, you should be feeling the same way about it. Yeah, might win $20, yeah. Are you looking for longs? Well, no, I would be looking for shorts. My strategy, but it's a B setup. It's not an A setup again. This would be my setup. Just saying, this would have been my entry. Yeah, but looking at ES, that's a very bad entry. I would be looking for longs on ES, personally, back up to VWAP. But that being said, we are clearly going down for now. So, what's up, Roshan? How you doing? Ooh, oh dear. Okay. Watching. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Period's calling me. Okay, no, still nothing. It looks like it's forming a right shoulder. Not sure which way it's going. Is that a flip retracement indicator strategy? Hey, Reese, no. Not really. It's a gam box. I say trade from an account if there's another. In or more for funded. So stupid. SST, I'm going to start calling you SST because I feel really bad calling you so stupid, trader. Hold on, looks like it's forming. She's trying to fade your TMs. Also did a sell. I mean, my friends playing D&D yesterday. Oh, I'm so jealous. I would love to be playing D&D again. Well, when I'm back up in Joburg, I'll be able to. That's cool. There's an auto block in the valley. I'll take both of us. I'll take both of us out. Oh gosh. Yeah, cool braces. We'll start if you make them yourself. Oh no, these are hair elastic. Yeah. So not bracelets, just hair elastics. This is a bracelet, but these are like that nomination. Yeah, the nomination brand. So you can get like cool attachments and things. So I have a little dog and a little horseshoe. Yeah. But yeah, these are literally just hair elastics. Sorry, nothing cool about them. Just flowered here, we got a spot for you. Ooh, nice. Sure, just give me a minute. I'll be there ASAP. Does that affect the market in any way? Did he really, or was that just noise? The Attack Titan. Hey Vanzi, how you doing? Wait, I'm supposed to become an adult or just do other Maya stuff? Do I become an adult? Wait a second, did you say do I become an adult? Are you saying I'm not an adult? Rude. My account is blown up again. Rude was oh no. Explorer, what happened? You have no idea how cool hair elastics are. Clearly not. Why are hair elastics so cool? They're just hair elastics. I'm not sure, but it's legit because the guy got arrested. Oh! Is it new? Fashion attempt on Donald Trump. List for okay, let's read what this says. Let's see what this says. No, this is. That's not that. US authorities are treating shooting as an assassination attempt. Huh. Potential domestic. Okay. Oh damn. Here we go. On July 13th. No, but this is 2024. That's not right. Okay. Okay. That's having a freak out. You're not my 6K. I'm not saying you're adult, but anyways, you know the drill here, honestly. I know the drill when it comes to you guys with me. It's a lot of this.
Emotional damage.
Anyways. Also, there's this grandpa had made sure to finish his meal during the assassination. That is hilarious. The Attack Titan. That is so funny. I mean, that's not funny. That's bad. But funny. Still. Oh my gosh, we're just back in this range. So this literally broke out. So ooh, was this then just manipulation to the sell side? Maybe. Could very well be manipulation to the sell side. I don't know. What's up, Mubu? John, I'm gonna call you John. What's up, John? Yes, I took all my money. No, cool, because it feels I need hair braces and it feels weird. No braces and hair elastics on the same wrists. Well, aren't they fancy? I'm sure Trump was getting targeted for all insider trading accusations and messing with polymarket bets. I mean, it would make sense. But, you know, the heck do I know? Having like a day before yesterday, then today definitely went bearish from the 1 hour. Sure, Explorer. We'll see. Am I reading your comments? I am. I am. Why don't you then just get a prop room if you're going to maybe accidentally blow so many accounts? Out of curiosity. You know, give yourself a little bit of a cushion for incidences like this. Well, it's not trade. Rose trading in a few hours from now. So I'm thinking the attempt led to the fall. And I just lost 700. Locked my account. It happens, but not gonna let it affect me. Hey, decent on top. Well done. Well, I mean, not well done. Well done for the discipline of locking yourself out. So what happened? What happened that you lost $700? If you don't mind me asking, I'm curious. I still haven't taken a trade because nothing has been A+ for me. So yeah, this has just been a lot of sitting around right now for me, which is boring. Oh, they call them scrunchies. Ah, but you see, they would have like they're a bit more poofy, right? They would have the poofy things. Explorer just trade with demo accounts. How about taking time? Yeah, you saw from last 67 candle. Look, trading is not a business, but you should be treating it like one, theoretically. You put money and time into it, and eventually you start to get profits back. That's a business, right? That is how a business starts. You have to treat it like a new business, and even so, okay, mine would have been a loss. Debbie's indicator right now is headed towards a winning trade. What the heck, man? Give me a second. Hey Joker, how long have I been trading? 1 year! Officially 1 year. When was it? Like the 14th of April? Bless me. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. My bad. Yeah, I'm just like black rubber band. Okay, prices maybe back down. Explorer dying inside. Margin shoulders is almost complete. Market's good. Good. Saying Paris would be 19 degrees on 16th April, and some wind towards the used hair dryer to raise the temperature. It's what? Are you serious? 1 year. Yeah. The Attack Titan, why? Look for a drawdown. So boom is in the longs. I mean, Debbie, TP1 looks like, oh, it may have missed by a tick, but this is looking real good. I know the buy signal went away here, but with regards to the entry and TP1, so far so good, right? Even though it still has a bearish bias. Damn, okay then. Baby's indicators being unnecessarily accurate right now. You guys and patterns, head and shoulders, knees and toes. So the Attack Titan, how long have you been trading and what strategy do you use? Out of curiosity. Most people lose money, they're paying for entertainment, big money. Biggest entertainment there is. Certain outcome, and they rigged the weather. Debbie, that is embarrassing. It's a downward trading scene last video. More restoration strategy, just moving up with 3 bullish camera. You're basically a noob. I know. 100%. I know I'm a noob. 100%. I know that there's still so much to learn, and I still have a lot to polish up on, right? I must say, I've definitely learned my lesson for when to stay out of the market, like market conditions with regards to my strategy, which is why I've not taken a trade today. It is why I'm also kind of forward testing Debbie's indicator I mean, so far TP1 would have hit, so this definitely would have at least been a break-even trade. And obviously partials, if you partialed there. So yeah, oh, I see TP2 is at VWAP. Nice. Anyways, sorry. So yeah, I've learned many lessons in a year, like which market conditions do not work for the strategy I use, and yeah. Stop loss. Blue Ocean analysis. What? What about stop loss? Are you saying always place a stop loss? Hey Vasu, did I take the trade? No, this is me forward testing Debbie's indicator. Working really flipping well. 3 years and trust I'm not making. Oh no! Okay, out of curiosity, why did you start trading? And 3 years, I heard it takes some people 3 to 5 years to start becoming profitable. All of the downtrending channel. Debbie, that's genius if you ask me. I lost all my mind. Well, Explorer, same question goes. Why didn't you try using a prop firm? Well, I'm 4 years into trading and still consider myself a noob. Like, does anyone not consider themselves a noob anymore? And how many years have you been trading? I feel like that is a genuine... Sorry guys, I know the Wi-Fi is having a little mini freak out. It's windy today for some reason. When it's windy, which makes no sense because I have fiber, but whatever. For some reason, when it's windy, it feels like the Wi-Fi has a little mini freak out. Okay, I'm giving you a medal. I'll buy. I'll get bronze. I'm Jan next year. Where's the fair value gap? Blue Ocean analysis? Are you asking like right now? Where's the fair value gap? So the attack titan, you use ICT concept. Nice, you and OTT. Is attack titan calling us noobs? Yes. And you know what? OTT, I will wear that badge. I am very much a noob still. People suddenly don't put themselves loss into profit when they can. All noobs, me too. What's up, Explorer? TP1 2R, TP2 is at 3.5R. You can set stop loss and TP in settings. I'm in longs from daily open level, hoping to get 30 points. Oh, daily open level, sorry. Took me a minute, I was like, what do you mean? And then I realized that that's actually down here. Sorry. Blue Ocean, what's my favorite prop firm? Currently, my favorite prop is probably Trader Buy. Just personally. And obviously as a South African, we're a little bit limited with the prop firms we can use. But for me personally, my favorite at the, like it's difficult to say favorite, but I personally like Trader Buy. It's not too bad. But I like to swing traded 20 years and traded 10 years. I love it. Nice! Oh, Arthur. What? Oh gosh, it's Monday and my English is not English. I would call myself a noob, but the learning don't stop, honestly, even though thinking about rejection boxes. But that's just a thought. It took me 5 years. Only noob because I can't take trading serious. Trading a year and 4 months, but I don't feel noobish. Payouts really help kill that feeling. Mine are not a noob, more like an auntie. Anyways, am I South African? I am the attack titan. You didn't think I was, did you? Where'd you think I was from? You gotta acknowledge being a noob is when you started, when you didn't even know what buying and selling is. True. The attack titan, these equal, to be fair, I would be very keen on seeing... Oh my gosh, there's a way to go to get there. These equal highs at the tippy top over there being taken out, but is that gonna happen? Yeah. Let's see. Is the VWAP as well? Damn, Debbie, this thing called this trade like a boss. Holy moly. Gonna have to board test this a little bit more and see if it keeps working. TP, let's go. Top Step just destroying itself this year with platform issues and payout cap reductions. Yeah, I saw that, Neil. I saw that. Yeah. They look like they are in trouble. I don't know what's happening with that. I think it could go all the way to be that. Damn, should have had a higher TP. She's from a Pixar baby. What's up? What is life, bro? How you doing? And Miko Wave, hi. How you doing? What? I thought you're Canadian or American. Nah, where are you from? Blue line, stretch it further left. This blue line can't stretch it further left. This is the VWAP. Also the attack titan, where are you from? Yeah, moving away from top snap. Don't trade a fire where I'm moving to. Heck yeah. Do it, Louis, do it. I'm gonna stop my dad. Tell me why he's teaching yet another PDA called the... I mean, if it works, I guess. Mother fluffer, look at this thing go. Okay then. Damn, Debbie, this thing would have been a banger. Back to VWAP. Oh, let's see, it's nearly about to tap into VWAP on ES. Debbie, maybe this week is the week I start using your indicator. Let's see. Let's see. Because this is absolute BS. Just saying. But let's see what happens. Alright, there's still a little bit of time. I didn't even see you said hi to me. Hi. Bring that. 30 points secured. No Hanons, bro. Oh my gosh, wait.
Nice.
Oh, flip, I love it. Neil, honestly. I must say, so all my other South Africans are going to be very upset with me. I have not had a braai in a very long time. I do miss it. I would actually really be down for a braai. I hate how Forex has new terminologies every single day. I wake up to 15 newly published Forex on new strategies. How am I supposed to keep up? Ah, okay, so the attack titan new trade Forex. But it's basically taking a rejection block. And if it's a bullish rejection block, the higher the bowler block or something like that. Or a missing person. Yeah, be on lookout, right? Bolo, be on lookout. Right, I need to make a braai over here. I just need to know how to season the meats. Oh damn, we have like braai seasoning spices here, don't we? Yeah, Bolo exists. I thought Bolo was a typo. Maybe you just mean 6 cinnamon roll spices. Oh, there we go. Louis, do you have that? I don't even know if Louis has that. Okay. Now I just get used to how to, and it will be made available soon before everyone asks for it. I know, but I feel like if you trade rejection blocks, you always wanted to not trade below the 50%. So I think you should trade them the first time in my family to trade Forex. Oh no, guys, so OTT keeps calling ICT like Michael, his dad. So no. OTT, you're the first one in your family to trade, right? Same here. Same this side, no one else in my family trades. Yeah, sorry the attack titan, like I said, the Wi-Fi is struggling today. I'm so sorry. I do not know why it's struggling so much, but it's not okay. Look, that's something on Amazon. Oh my gosh, why is it so bad? Ooh. Little tap into the bob level and rejection. Okay, today has not been my friend so far. Well, welcome to the club, buddy. Just don't let anyone know you trade. No, honestly. It's like Steel Myers. Nikwave? Why? I'm just seeing that on demand. It falls my mom thinks trading is a game. I play on my laptop. That is hilarious, Neil. Really. The suspension block. Solo ICT running. Things to teach. My bad, it's my network. Oh no, Titan, don't worry. It is probably my network as well. It's going to be a sell. That means gold will go up. Wow, it must be good stuff. It's 22 bucks for £2 on Amazon. Damn. I love rejection blocks, but damn, whoever is new and trying to learn ICT right now got a long way to go. I feel bad. We don't have to make a oh, there we go, Louis. Go on. Oh, do you know what we have not done today? Oh, let me go get the book. We have not done Butterfly of the Day. So for anyone that's new, sorry, I'm a little bit weird. I do Butterfly of the Day here, where we go and I have a butterfly book and we get Butterfly of the Day here. I'm weird, it happens. I can't do anything right now. I'm a little bit sad. This is not the price action I wanted to see today. Exactly doing proper right now, just store forward testing. I think we're like $2 here, no say. Intel network is so bad. That's a big one. Okay. Give me a second, let me go get the book. Oh, I see. Okay, not that much has happened. Anyways, butterflies of the Ding Sun. Like, where you just rabbits also made sense to me, but no, I don't train like those ICT gurus you see online. If you can get yourself a nice brand doing coke, you'll be a proper You'll do it, don't buy itself. Well, side liquidity. Now we have several. I'll leave the value games on below. I sound like a really, forgive me guys, I just have so much learning. Just forward testing and demos. For quite a while on seasoning. I think it seems good, but like nothing really stands out to me yet. The setup should work for me. always wanted to be a proper sapper. Listen, I must say, South Africans know how to have fun. If anything, we know how to have fun and how to laugh. Titan, this is the Nasdaq futures actually, the micro, so it's not even pairs. $4.56, cool. So it's nearly 5, maybe the new hour will give us something else. I'm just sad right now. This feels very meh. This is very meh price action right now. But not much we can do about it. So we just have to keep on keeping on. And fight lines. We do not fight lines. Anyways, let's do butterfly of the day. Yeah, I've never traded that one. Ooh, listen. Nasdaq's a bit of a diva, hey? Nasdaq's quite a diva. It is good fun though, if I do say so myself. Sorry guys, I look like the equivalent of a car wreck today, guys. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. It's been one of those. So, butterfly of the day. So I went and Googled the whole Trump thing. So that's what all this is. I went and Googled that. Let's do this. Oh, there we go. Our butterfly of the day is the most common thing in South Africa. It's It is a pretty butterfly though. If the Wi-Fi will indulge me with working, that would be great. Okay. There we go. Sorry. Like I said, I went and Googled all. Oh my gosh. The Wi-Fi is really struggling. It's reloading. Reloading. Go back to this while it decides what it wants to do. At least I know. Page 36. I'll go back to that. When this decides that it wants to play ball. Power never looks damn good. That's what she's. Thank you. Good grief. Wi-Fi. There is a storm on its way here right now. And I think that's why everything is having a little mini absolute meltdown. Let's try this again. Oh, hi! There's a Perry! Particular look. Oh, the Boost Network, honestly. I think it's time to wait for New York. You're blowing up the internet. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Does nothing want to work today, apparently. Apparently just nothing wants to work. Everything's having a mini panic attack. A little bit of a double top happening on NQ right now. Next up, VWAP. You are 23. Nice. There we go. There we go. I feel like I'm gonna have to go and restart the Wi-Fi. Good grief. market and cement. Cool fact about the African monarch: when attacked by a predator, can fake its own death by oozing a smelly, distasteful liquid from its body. First tactic often convinces the attacker. What? You, Louis? Let go. Yeah. No, this war back in the day, my lag was the norm for us. Wow. Yeah, OTT, you're starting to show your age there, hey? Call me Aaron because he's the attack titan. Aaron Yeager. Have you seen that weird edit? I'm not gonna do it because it's weird as heck, but it made me laugh too much. I'm thinking I'll forget Forex 10 years if it doesn't work out. Put it 33. Now attack, I'm 20. Microwave, how old are you? Yeah, and if my real name is Aaron, there's no way I'm calling you that. I'm waiting for some good move. We're on the same age group, buddy. Okay, wait. Is it back to working? No, maybe not. Tapped into VWAP both on ES and NQ, so this would have actually been a winning trade, Debbie. Nice. That would have been a winner-winner chicken dinner right there. Wow. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna freak my internet out even more by doing this. This huge storm is messing with this. Attack, honestly, don't set a time limit for profitability, just keep doing it until you get it. Wait, how much? Really good. It's like it might feels cringe to see the edits. Hey, Aaron, over here. Okay, so this is now saying a sell. Entry. Stop loss. TP1. TP2. Like I said, I'm kind of forward testing this. Let's see, we would be in on the cells now. Let's see how it goes. The sell signal is still here. Literally tapped into VWAP. Very interesting. Many trade, I'll stick to that. I stopped trading Forex Titan and switched to futures. Okay. Guys, I'm not joking, but my real name is Aaron. Really? Walk rejected it, lag down. I had a premature TP. Oh well, I'm up 1.5k now. Just got a rest for New York. There we go, Louis. That's not bad. VWAP rejected. Okay, I was about to be like, what? Yeah, I'm so full-time trader. Just keep doing it until I work. There's no age, no limit for profitability. I refuse to believe Pro's name is Aaron. Okay, let's see if this one would have worked. We know the previous one did. So that's cool. Aha, wait a second. We bowl? Do we bowl? Let's see. That might be honest. What indicator am I trying out? Hey, this is called the TMP indicator. It's actually Debbie's indicator. Let's see how it works. We had a banger trade early. Well, I didn't take the trade, I forward tested it, but it would have been a winner-winner chicken dinner. Okay. Don't. I wouldn't short at all-time highs. It's just a retracement short though. You have an indicator similar sell pivots as Debbie's thing. Nice, Louis. Okay, let's see if we're working. We're back into business. Okie dokie, now we can go back to this. So this is butterfly of the day. This is the African monarch. That was some weird information you gave earlier with it. So this African monarch is wingspan of 50 to 75 millimeters. I'm going to see if it says anything about its flight pattern. So often seen in numbers feeding on flowers. Okay, so they travel in packs. Ooh, what's a group of butterflies called? Anyways, sorry. Random thing. So distribution is common throughout South Africa in all biomes. So literally everywhere. 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 You get this butterfly everywhere. Habitat is forest edges, parks and gardens, hilltops, flatlands, coast, mountains, and wetlands. So again, everywhere. And flight period is year-round. Peak late summer, autumn, so now in South Africa. But yeah, so this is our butterfly of the day. It's super common. But yeah, the African monarch. It is a very pretty butterfly. I feel bad because I feel like South Africans don't appreciate them because we see them everywhere. Anyways, that's butterfly of the day. Let's go back and see how it's looking. Okay, we would still be in this trade. It's a bunch of butterflies or school. Google it on my phone. With everything. Wow. They're just pivot slow, not cell signals. Okie dokie. Now, Wi-Fi cuts out. Thanks, Mikawabe. Group of butterflies is called not a school. What? Oh, I like that one. It's almost as pretty as you. Oh, wow. A group of butterflies is called a flight, a flutter, or a rabble. I see that butterfly every day. Well, I haven't seen a butterfly in years. OTT, but hear me out. You haven't seen a butterfly in years, okay? Again, hear me out though. When last did you go looking for one? Just asking. I see you putting butterfly options straight out. Yep, obviously. Obviously. So, okay, let's see. I'm gonna then turn this indicator back off, but this is what Debbie's indicator is potentially saying as a good to go level. I mean, the other one was on point. Literally, TP was here. That's pretty damn good. We're now going sideways, guys. Guys, I just want some trades. You ate a butterfly a few... What? You ate a butterfly? Why did you eat a butterfly? OTT, what exactly are you trying to imply? I mean, that it would be weird to find a butterfly inside your house. Microwave pure protein?
Nice.
Just pure protein right there, 100%. 509, cool. Yeah, where was 5? Okay, so this was the 5 AM candle. Still spike. Wouldn't be surprised if we go back down now. Okay. We're basically back at opening range. What the hell do butterflies taste like? It was an African monarch, it must taste horrible. So in other words, you're saying I don't go outside. I did not say that, OTT. I didn't say that. I didn't say it. Anyway. Lower what? You know, you're gonna give me a headache. He was hungry. The Nasty Queen's gonna get that new high. Hey Rolf, what's up? You think that it's gonna now start going back up? This was a little bit of manipulation before New York. This has just been meh. This has just been me. I haven't had a single A+ setup form for me. So I'm sad. I'm saying it, you don't go outside. There we go. See, I didn't attack you, Louis. Louis said it wasn't me. You said it without saying it. I'm gonna for a walk to the kitchen. Nice. Nice. There we go. Oh, my word, guys. Like I said, I'm really, really sorry about the Wi-Fi being like this. Microwave, that sounds like a superpower. Please don't encourage him. OTT? Don't encourage. Don't encourage. OTT, I was gonna ask you what you're gonna do on this public holiday, but I'm assuming you're gonna do what you do every other day, right? It's the market makers getting ready. Watch the... Don't think it's gonna make it. It's going down. Trend is your friend. I'm gonna go for a walk to the garden and the fridge and shove a whole bag of Big Huawei, did you just wake up in a weird a weird mood? Apparently my brain has just actually decided to not wake up at all today. And that's where I am at. Literally. I'm literally just there. With a very weird conversation. I mean, I don't expect anything less from you guys, but very weird conversation. I hope you know that. Like, super weird, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Is anyone in a trade currently? This, like I said, this price action is making me sad. The price action Thursday, Friday, and now Monday is making me real sad. It's giving me March vibes, which is scaring me. And it doesn't help that the Wi-Fi is just giving me the middle finger now, does it? How have you guys not seen these videos? What videos? Hey, Minimally, did I take a winner? I did not take a winner. Ooh, that would have been a loss. So Debbie's indicator, she had a long setup up to here. That one would have been a winner chicken dinner, so that would have been cool. That one would have been a loss. I'm now watching to see if we get something good here. Took out those. No, it isn't. It has not taken out these relatively equal highs just yet. I can zoom in and make it look like the price action's a little bit better, but that would be a lie. Freedom Day in South Africa, where people... Okay. Okay. Just okay. That's just where we are today. What has she done every time? I'm holding the SQQQ. Gonna see if this message. Yep. Be a really weird thing to read. Oh, 100% Louis. Yep. If they just rocked up and they were like, what? I'm looking at possible gold longs, no volume though, and need confirmation, but it looks tempting. AJ, yep. I think that's the thing. I would also kind of be keen on longs now. But again, no volume and I haven't had a confirmation. I was kind of tempted to put this up. I don't even know why. No, looking at the entry, that's not great. Entry closer to here. Oh, would have been a little bit better. Watch this breakout above VWAP. Let's see, I'm watching. It has to also break up above VWAP on ES. It's still below VWAP on ES. It's literally sitting on VWAP on NQ right now. So we're gonna have to just kind of sit and wait and see if we do get something else. Not really, hey. See what I mean? They are pivots, not sell entries. I sent it to everyone. I sent it to you as well. Do I want to be seeing this? Miguave? Okay, I'll watch it later. I'm scared, but I'll watch it later. Okay, so definitely now above VWAP on ES. Still below. No. Let's try that again. It's definitely above ES on NQ. It is still below VWAP on ES. Looks like I might hold up the web wait for confirmation. How easy is it to get lost in here? What, like the chat, or what do you mean by lost in here? Gonna have to be a little bit more elaborate. Once move starts, everyone holding shorts will close and put more buy orders in the market for you to feel the bullish trend. Let's see. Like I said, I'm watching what it does on ES as well, because again, we are still below VWAP on ES. Oops. Well. See if this goes a little bit higher or not. It's so funny. It has nothing to do. That's Bombs or Jelly Beans. It's just a funny video. Okay, I'll check it now. Ay, Mikuave. You are funny. Mikuave, were you able to take some trades with your new PC? Are we happy? Are we sad? The ES carries more weight. Yep, that's why I'm watching it. I am watching it. It's still below and dropping. Ooh, it's gonna want to drop. I think ES is gonna want to drop below 187.75. I think. Let's see. At least maybe retest they won last time, and then potentially we could start going up. Use them as sell entries. You gotta have a larger stop loss. We'll get stopped out. Don't check it out now because it has a bit of swearing in it. Is it rainy in South Africa? It's not raining, it's just super windy today. Yeah, don't know why, it's just super flipping windy today. Louis, what video I want to see? I'll forward it to you, Louis. Okay, so here would have potentially been entry for a buy, but like I said, ES I feel still wants to go down. Yep, there we go. Ooh, okay, ES is at my point of interest. Let's see what it does now. Is it going to reject off of it and go back up? Or is it going to keep dropping? Sorry, I'm watching it like waiting to see what we get. Okay, took out my point of interest to the sell side. Now let's see if we push back up. Oh damn, no, ES dropped solidly there. Made a hectic volume imbalance. I just put I haven't even a basement. Okay. Stuck on a VWAP. Can't stop. Is that a coincidence? Sorry. OTT, did you see that? That took me an actual second. Yep, Aaron is quite popular since 2013. Okay. Japanese now and have been. Secured 40 bucks. Nice, Louis. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, it took out my point of interest on ES. And let's see what we get. Ugh, this feels like a literal sitting and waiting and watching and meh day today for me. Def pulling my pinky toe right now. Yep, and the series got released in 2014. Pulling my pinky toe, OTT. I've never heard anyone say that before. Seriously. $5.23, but we've kinda... I suspect that we might tap back into VWAP one last time on ES and then potentially start seeing a bit of a sell-off. I'm gonna use call Thomas because you guys doubt too much. I'm unique. Yeah, you is. That's gonna be the name of my new song, Sitting and Waiting and Watching and Me. Yeah, that is how, I don't know how else to describe today. It's sitting, waiting, watching, meh. Just meh. Okay. Oh, hi. Good trading is all about waiting. Oh, Ralph, you have a point there. Your name ain't Ashley. No, Titan, his name is actually Ashley. Let's chill. Oh my gosh. Sorry. My birthday, man. I'll be back to let you know. And then asking who makes a new 52-week high. Bro, different. The blue law. Okay, let me check it out. Ooh. Sorry. The nerd in me was like, yay! Okay. DM. Yeah, German. What is happening? Attack. I wish it was something more manly, like Damon. We can't have everything. Look, I'm staying out of this right now. I'm just here going. Look at the. I almost wanted to call it a pretty chart, but that would be a lie. Look at the chart. Just, yeah. Just look at the chart. Look at it not moving anywhere. Yay. Oh, this is making me sad. I really hope... What do you guys think about New York? Do you think we might actually start to see some volume during New York again? Or is it gonna low-key just continue going sideways until maybe tomorrow? I'm hoping. Mojo, oh my gosh. Attack Titan, are you good? Am I bullish or bearish for the day? I'm sticking with trend as friend until it's not, so bullish. Yeah. Obviously some short retests here and there, but bullish. It's kind of power puffing easy, 40 bucks, mate. Ugh, listen. I can hear the accent in my brain. Not what we expected. Yeah, I think New York gonna be decent. Not great, but at least a 100-point move. Neil? Bruh. Damn it. Sorry. I'm going why? Because now it looks like it's going actually up for where TP would be. I mean, this wasn't an A+ setting at all. Setting. Well, setting. It's not an A+ setup at all. I liked it. Does that make any sense? I know that you should, but that's why I didn't take the trade. You shouldn't just be taking a trade because you're like, ah, I like it. Am I South African by birth? Yeah. I mean, I am half Portuguese. My dad's Portuguese, but born and raised in South Africa. You know how I grew up. I'm told to be unique. I'm living up to that. I'm think about New York. I think I need to over by Central Park West. I live there at some point. It's above the but resisting the upper one. It's above VWAP on NQ, but it's still below VWAP on ES. Oh my gosh, my head actually hurts after reading that. My head actually hurts after reading that. Okay then. We basically share the same content. Nice! Attack you basically everything. I can't believe you anymore. Yeah, you have completely lost Ashley's trust. How long? How long? Okay. $15 more minutes. Crying, I love crying from laughing. Guys, I'm gonna give this 15 more minutes. I see this now looks like it's actually working out. Okay, Perry's sitting on the wheel again. Anyways. Is it working? It's kind of working. It is what it is. This is now being cheeky and trying to chase a trade. Frank, where would you go? What type of establishment? Louis, microwave caught me off guard. Mother fluffer. Look at that now go. Damn, okay, so that would have been a win. Like I said though, it wasn't an A+ setup, I just liked it, but you shouldn't be taking trades just because you think it could be good. It's going to the moon. We don't have McDonald's here. And if there is one, it's probably far. Oh, your TP would have slapped. I know. I know, Louis. My TP would have been amazing. Damn. Oh well. Hey, I'm from South Africa. What's up? Boom, well done. Boom, you get a whoop whoop. Sorry, I'm just sitting here going, what is happening in the chat today? I don't even know what's happening in the chat today, but anyways. Oh, why are you saying it? Also, bad it ain't. Your cat attacked you. Why did your cat attack you? What did you do to her? Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. Let's see if it actually breaks above now. Okay. Because we get like manage this tourist, we get the words down pretty easily. Microwave does watch anime. I see the account going up little by little awesomely. Hey Jose, what's up? How you doing? Benji Big. Hey Krishan, what's up? How are you? Sorry, like I said, oopsie, did I accidentally close Discord? I feel like I did. My bad. Oops. Krishan, how's it going? How's the trading been? I'm just here having complete and utter FOMO right now. Yeah, I have proper FOMO right now. I just want to blaze a trade. I just want to trade. But I know I shouldn't take it if it's not an A+ setup. But for long or short, I'm not getting it. Yeah, millions of tourists from Japan. Lucky you can barely see. How many years since how long? See, Attack Titan, I am like, who are you? Good, my trading's going well as the new improved indicator. Nice! Riz. Well, they would have been the entry. If you're wondering, this is a B setup. I only have 2 confluences, so it's another B setup. Maybe on days like this, Bs are just the way to go. Let's check this out. OTT, you think you're gonna marry an Asian? Why? Is it just something about them? Nasty rejection. Yeah, come catch on the 3k TP, my guy. Oh, thanks, bub. Can we trade retracements? I mean, I trade the retracements, but do you mean like it going back down to retrace into the 50%? Yeah, I ain't trading this BS. It's not even range 60 points neb. Hey Vamsy, what's up? How we doing? I mean, I would be in the green for this one, although it's completely contradicting Debbie's setup here with this indicator. Bias is neutral, which means sideways. I've never seen more sideways in my life than seeing bias neutral indicator. But what could I ask for? Percent to the aim to not improve in all that generation.
Emotional damage.
Damn. Yola. Oh, Savage. Anyways. Wow. Is the key never to lose money? No, that's not the key. The key is just to get back more than you lose. Win rate for 28 trade, 18 revenue and 9 losses, 2 break even, but the break even are kinda in profit with 100. Oh, return, that's really good though. That 18 weeklies up and daily is not yet closed for up. Like technically it's still bearish on daily. Interesting. American Asian get us one time. OTT, I miss Solly. Same. Hope Solly is good. I do miss him. Hope he's okay. We are getting to my screw this point. You're giving us 6 more minutes. Let's see. Maybe it starts actually giving us something. Just something would be great. Still did not close above VWAP on ES. It rejected off of VWAP again. But it keeps retesting it, so it's eventually going to break above. I think when it does break above, we better hold on tight because we might start to see it push to the moon then. Right. Invited to my wedding, just no show me Asian. I'm dying single. Okay, so now we know OTT has a type. Mother fluffer. See if it rejects this inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute. Solly. No, I think Solly is just Solly. Your candles look like mountains. What do you mean? Oh, I mean they low-key do, don't they, right now? That's like mountain. Who's deleting his messages? That's so funny. OTT. Oh man, you guys are funny. Where is Solly? I think he's been going through a lot. I'm not sure, Boom. I think life is, last time he hopped on he said life has just been kicking him a little bit. Maybe I should send him an email. Anyways, that life has just been kicking him a little bit. So I'm not sure what's been going on. He does pop in now and then, he's just quiet, which is weird for him. So I do hope he's okay. Let's actually check in on him again. Okay, so tapped into that inverse fair value gap. Yeah, this thing is gonna keep going down on ES. Well, trapped above VWAP on NQ. Yeah. Of course he's... Let me see this. Never thought I had a type. Actually do. That's Asians, damn. OTT. There we go. Well, I guess now you know what you're looking for. Proud of you, I guess. I don't know. This is a very weird conversation. To be fair, it's not really like there's much happening right now. So I'm laughing. I'm laughing so much at you, OTT. Oh, you see Solly, tell her message me. Aye, aye. I feel like we don't want to really how we did it with that. That New Zealand accent is cool. My you sound British, Aussie, and New Zealand trippy accent. Oh, thanks. I guess that's one way to describe a South African accent. What is it? It's what? British, Aussie, and New Zealand. That's so funny. John says he likes clingy girls. What is happening? We are now discussing girls today. Anyways. I'm here for the messages he keeps sending. If I can just take a look at it and suggest I should take... Oh, absolutely not, Briz. No, I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that. Agree. Microwave. I don't know. Data one, but what? Don't be my wife. Hey Hash, what's up? Propel wage? What? Yeah, this is not okay. Maya as big sis should be giving me advice. Well, I mean, if that's what you want, go for it. Though I feel like you should want to marry someone for more than just that you can potentially get nice food from them. No? Is that just me? Oh, but your country's like, got half the world and put it in a blender. Yeah. And we have fun here. Now she should be the matchmaker. But I know just because they'll be perfect. They just seem so nice even when you speak with them. Then there we go. Now you just gotta go find yourself a nice girl. I don't know if anyone knows someone looking. I'm very confused. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this information right now. I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. They're pretty it feels more like you got on your face. If that's mean, I'm not trying to be mean. It's damn slow. Yep, chill dude, that's an understatement. I'm gonna give this last candle. And then I might actually call it because I feel like I've been watching Paint Dry. No, that being said, it had a decent dip here, but again, nowhere I could have gotten an entry. Here, nothing A+, nowhere I could have gotten an entry. Choppy. B setup. That wasn't even an A. I don't even know what that setup was, but yeah. Hey, how are you? Hey, Forex for Life, how you doing? Crazy. Maya, bad wing woman. No. If I was with you, I would be the best wing woman. That's a lie, because I'm awkward and I don't like, well, I struggle to talk with human beings, but I guess I would make you look good with how terrible I am at talking to humans. No? Maybe? Where's Debbie Meyer getting her? Ah, they were clean entries for buys and sells. Like, this is me and my stream. Mine is just the face. No, honestly, I'm just here reading this conversation going, what? Nah, Forex, no trades for me today, unfortunately. This is not my type of market. Not the correct movement for me. I can't talk to humans either. Oh, damn. They're both gonna sit there being like, I'll be honest, one day I'm gonna get on this stream, it'll be the best stream ever. Oh my gosh, Mikawave. On that day, it's gonna be so chaotic. Yeah, I'm the opposite, I'm super social. I should wear my PC instead of a call. My PC's more supportive than anything else. Hi, I like your eyebrows. I mean, OGT, to say that to a girl nowadays, you would be very much liked if you said that. I think eyebrows are a thing. Anyways. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? Talking to a camera and reading the chat. Fantastic at that. Exactly. Exactly. Because you guys aren't actually like here physically staring at me. Do you know I would be so awkward and uncomfortable if you guys were actually here. I'd be like, so what's up? I'm a very weird individual. Is this thing now actually working out? Oh, this is gonna make me mad. That this is now actually working out. Yeah, I'm gonna be someone's life. I like your earlobe. I got so much Game Gosh OTT that might be pushing it. Where you see you trading in the next 1 year, what's the goal? Oh, Forex for Life, sweet and simply. My next goal. So my first goal was just to pass an eval. I did that. This is my first ever funded account. Yay! My next goal is to get a payout. I'm just going one thing at a time. I was $20 away from blowing this account. I'm still in drawdown, don't get me wrong, but it's why I'm being extra selective with the A+ setups. It does mean, unfortunately, that there are just some days where you're not going to get a trade in. Gosh. Weird things are going with what happened. Something very first. So disappointing if you met you in real life and you didn't act like this. I'd go home sad. To be fair, if you are open, I'm just... how do I put this? I'm bad at small talk. If chat is blowing, oh, I'm so there for it. But if it's small talk, I'm like, I have very low like tolerance for small talk. Maybe that's the problem. And obviously with the new people, small talk is the way to go, and I don't have time for that. Like, is he an A+ setup? Okay, this conversation has gotten so weird. I'm gonna call it, seeming as this price action going nowhere, and you guys are scaring me. Y'all are scary today. Can I just say that? You're terrifying. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. Okay, wait, hey Maya, are you from Tennessee? Why? Wait, because you're the only 10 I see, right? Right? Was that the pickup line you're gonna use? Anyways. There we go. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Anyways. I love you guys madly. Okay, I'm gonna call it though. I see that this B setup is actually working. Looks like it's headed towards TP. So that's cool. I don't know. This is hands-off price action for me. This is very much hands-off price action, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go hands-off, no touchy-touchy. I will then be back for the New York session. Let's hope we get some decent trades. That's all we can do. Wait for the next trade. Okay. I love you guys madly. You know what? Actually, bring the unhinged vibes for New York as well. Why not? Why not? At least we're having fun in a bit of a dull market. I love you guys. I will then see you later for New York. Okay, trade safe if you are still trading this. Otherwise, yeah. See you later, alligator.